A transaction status identifies a transaction's current stage. When a transaction enters a different stage, its status should be updated in Pipeline to reflect that stage. For example, when a property is initially listed by your office, the status may be set to listed. Once an offer is accepted on the property, you may edit the transaction and change its status to pending. Then once it's sold, you might change it to closed. It's best to name your statuses based on terminology your office is familiar with to make it easy for your agents and admins to manage their transaction workflows. For example, some offices use the term pending to indicate an offer has been accepted, while others may use both accepted and under contract as their pending statuses. Having multiple statuses in a category can also help you precisely fine-tune exactly when a checklist should be automatically added to a transaction. One word of caution. We often see companies try to commingle their statuses with either the transaction type or label, or with the side of the transaction they represent. So we might see them being named pending residential or pending buying. Avoid adding that unneeded information to the status since the property type and side are already tracked elsewhere in Pipeline, and it makes more work for your team to have to evaluate those criteria each time the status gets changed. Instead, cleanly name your statuses by simply stating the actual status, like listed, or accepted, or pending. On this step of the wizard, you'll add or edit transaction statuses to match your office's terminology and workflow. To update a status, edit the name of the status in the list. To add an additional status, click Add Status within the desired category, then enter the status name. To delete a status, click the X next to its name. Once you're satisfied with the statuses, click Next Step.